Ever wondered about penning down your thoughts and ideas into a book? It is a dream that many harbor, but only a few act upon. Writing a book is not just about creating a piece of art or a source of knowledge. It's about leaving a lasting legacy, gaining credibility, and even establishing a new income stream. So if you've ever considered putting your thoughts to paper, now is the time to start. Writing a book can seem daunting, but when broken down into manageable steps, it becomes a task that anyone can accomplish. The first step is to identify your book's purpose. Are you writing to share an important message, to establish yourself as an expert in your field, or to advertise other services you offer? Knowing your purpose will guide your writing process. Next, you need to outline your book. This is a plan that details what you want to discuss in each chapter. It serves as a roadmap that keeps you on track and makes sure you cover all the vital points. Once you've outlined your book, it's time to write. This is where the magic happens. All those thoughts, ideas, and stories you've been carrying around in your head finally get put down on paper. Don't worry about perfection in the first draft. The aim is to get your ideas out of your head and onto the page. You can always go back and polish it later. Now, let's talk about the revision process. This is where you fine-tune your manuscript, looking for any inconsistencies, grammatical errors, and areas that need improvement. You might go through several rounds of revisions before you're satisfied with the final product. After revising your manuscript, it's time for editing. Consider hiring a professional editor to ensure your book is polished to perfection. They'll help you catch any mistakes you might have missed and offer suggestions to improve the overall flow and readability of your book. Now comes the publishing part. If you think you're not ready to approach a traditional publishing house, don't worry. You can self-publish your book on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Here, you can sell your book in 3 formats: physical, digital, and audio. Writing a book is a journey of self-discovery, creativity, and determination. It's about sharing your thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world. It's about leaving a legacy that could potentially outlive you. So don't wait for the perfect moment. The time to start writing your book is now. Remember, every great book begins with a single word. So, pick up that pen or open that laptop and start writing. The world is waiting to hear your story.